Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through a super handy tutorial, how to create a table on your Wix site directly using data from a Google Sheet. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to display live, updatable tables on your website. Perfect for things like price lists, schedules, or any info that you want to keep fresh without having to edit your site every time. All right, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up the Google Sheet you'd like to use for your table. If you haven't already set up your data, maybe it's a list of team members, a schedule, or inventory, take a moment to organize it neatly in rows and columns, just like you'd want it to appear on your site. Having everything clear and accurate here will save you time later. Next, look up at the top left corner and click on File. From the drop-down menu, scroll down and find Share. Then, Publish to the web. This option might sound a little intimidating, but all it really does is make your sheet viewable online. No one can edit your content, they'll only be able to see it, kind of like using a public notice board. Once you're in the Publish menu, go ahead and click Publish. You might get a confirmation box. Just click OK. Don't worry if you're feeling hesitant. The sheet is only being shared in a view-only format, so your original data stays safe. After you've published your sheet, you'll see a few sharing options. Look for the Embed tab. This is the magic we need to grab a chunk of code that will display your table on Wix. Click on Embed and then copy the code that appears. It might look a little cryptic, and if you've never dealt with code before, take a deep breath. You don't need to know what every part of it means for this task. Just highlight everything in that box and copy it to your clipboard. Now, flip over to your Wix site editor. Head to the page where you want your table to appear. Click the Add button. That's usually on the left-hand side. And scroll down or search for Embed Code. This is the element that lets you plug in custom code onto your site. Drag it onto your page where you want the table to show up. With that element in place, click on it and paste the embed code you copied from Google Sheets. You'll see your table start to appear. If it looks squished or too small, don't worry. We're going to fix that next. Right at the end of your code, you'll want to add two simple properties: height set to 1000 and width set to 600. This tells Wix how large to display your table and makes sure it's not cramped. It's kind of like sizing a picture frame around your data, making things way easier to read whether you're on a desktop or mobile. And that's all it takes. You've just created a live, editable table on your Wix site, powered by Google Sheets. Whenever you update the Google Sheet, your website table updates automatically. It's perfect for keeping things current with zero extra hassle. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. If you run into any questions during the process, feel free to drop me a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward, practical tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.